In this video, we're going to be going over how to get an ElevenLabs API key. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on ElevenLabs, we need to go to our profile in the bottom left, then go to API keys. Create API key. We now need to name our API key, then we can pick which features the key has access to by selecting no access or has access on all the features. Finally, you need to hit create at the bottom. You can now copy your key. You can access all the keys you have generated from here. If you would like to edit the name or permission of any API key, you can click the pencil icon to the right of each one and make the necessary changes. Then click Save Changes. You can delete any key by clicking the trash can next to each one, then click Delete. That's all we have for this tutorial on creating ElevenLabs API keys. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.